Kinikilig ako sa cheesy. Fandom has been shipping me and Precious Paula Nicole together. I think it's really cute. Feels weird. This is so funny. Ito lang ba ako sa AU may crush kay Precious? Lifesaver, cheesy, Coke, and E. Sarap talaga kapag kasama mo yung mahal mong kumain. Kaya ko ba to? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's episode, I will be reading to AUs or alternate universe written by fans. This is crazy. You know, I just happened to come across these AUs. Now, for those of you who doesn't know what AU is, AU or alternate universe, it's a fan fiction that's written on Twitter about, you know, just made up scenes. Like most fans do that. Now, everyone is just a figment of imagination. Nothing real about it, but it's based on real people. And it's really interesting because the really famous ones are the Evacious. Like people, fandom has been shipping me and Precious Paula Nicole together. I think it's really cute. Feels weird. But also, I came across some of these AUs. I read some of them, and I went on live the other day, and I talked about it, and everyone just went crazy. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna give it to y'all. So I'm gonna read it. If you guys are just gonna start on AUs, AUs are like Twitter threads. There's no narrators, no anything. It's just like a screenshot of conversations here and there. So for today's episode, we will be reacting to an AU titled Love Me Now. It's written by the account at iArchives. I think this is the most famous one because I read it on Twitter and like everyone just are mentioning like things in this AU. So before we review, again guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel so that we can, you know, make more contents like these. Are you ready? Alright, let's do it. So Love Me Now by A. So Love Me Now, a hashtag Evacious AU wherein Precious, a famous drag queen in the country, finds it hard to move on from her last relationship. While drunk, she suddenly texts a random number and asks for help. So the main characters are this is so funny. Myself, Miss Eva, and Precious Paula Nicole. Okay. So as you see, they're like, these are the accounts. And then we have like supporting characters. Eva's close friends are Marina, Ovi, and Prince. And we have supporting characters that are Precious's close friends, Viñas and Rigadin. So is this like based off of us, right? So because in some AUs is like an entirely different character, but I think for this AU it's like based off of us or drag queens. For context, I think this AU is like around 280 plus chapters. The first installment was written in September 2023, and I think the latest one has run until March of this year, 2024. Oh my god. Kudos to the one writing this. Like, honey, that's a lot of work. You got time, bitch. And then there's already a sequel to it, right? Exciting. Alright, so the first one, it says, oh my god. So Minty Fresh, FB Messenger from MyMin. Oh, it's an iMessage. Alright. Bo. Bow? Bo. Bo. Why Bo? Why Bo? Bo, makakapunta ka pa ba? Kanina pa mi dito. Precious, sige, alis na lang ako. Hindi ka na talaga pupunta. Okay. Alright, so they're like conversing here. Are you still there? Sorry na I love you, di na mauulit. Hindi ako sanay na Precious pa at P ang tawag mo sa akin. Sorry na. Wala kasing signal kanina. Oh, so at the beginning of the story, Minty Fresh and Precious are together. Printy, that's the Printy love team. Is like Precious like Minty style? I think they could work, no? Do they look cute together? Can we imagine Minty? Oh my god, you know, because I know these people too well. I mean, I'm too close to them to actually imagine them together. Fans Club ni Dora the Explorer. Ito yung group chat ni Precious and the Divine Diva. Papadala ko ng flowers sa kanya. La, gawin ko ba uli yun? So, Talakera 1 is Viñas. Nagtampo. Kidding aside, what you think? I think Minty, like based on the conversations, si Minty ano siya dito parang nonchalant. Ang kasalanan lang naman dyan na ikaw te. Pag umulit ka pa na hindi sumipot. So sa first part, hindi sumipot si Precious sa date nila ni Minty. Busy sa work because Precious is busy sa work. Eh bakit may in-schedule kasi na may date? Why would you schedule a date tapos busy ka? Red flag. Actually, red flag talaga si Precious here. So yeah, so for you all, because I know that I will be reviewing an Evacious AU, bigay hilig ako. So you guess it right. What I am wearing right now is the exact same ensemble when I did my final lip sync against Precious Paula Nicole at Drag Race Philippines Season 1. Precious designed this outfit and gave this to me because during the finale of Drag Race Philippines Season 1, at the last 20 minutes, I had a wardrobe malfunction. So my bodysuit, the zipper at the back, gave up. And then I was hyperventilating at the backstage and Precious like ran and was like, sis, suot mo to, suot mo to. And I wore it and then she was the first lip sync and I lost to her. It was a good fight. We just had an amazing time. This is the exact same look. Same hair. Yes, it's human hair. So where were we again? Alright. Hindi na kaya magtiis. Oh my God, Minty Fresh! Oh, sorry, late reply. Hindi na sumisipot sa date. Ang bagal pa mag-reply. What the fuck? I'm so totally gonna ditch this. Tigil na natin to. I'm breaking up with you. I'm sorry. Oh my God! Hindi ko na kaya. Maybe hindi na talaga tayo para sa isa't isa. Hindi na rin kasi ako sure kung mahal mo pa ba talaga ako. Yes, I love you, but mukhang hindi na rin naman mag-work kung ano mang meron tayo. And just like that, Min left, and now I'm all alone, still in shock of what just happened. So, Minty broke up with Precious. Hindi ka na pala reply? Hindi ka pa sumisipot sa date? If only I can turn back time, I would do better. Ay, totoo nga, nasa akin yung pagsisisi. That's true. So, number 15. Wala akong maisip kung sinong unang lalapitan. Nag-type ako ng random number. Kung hindi ko siya kilala, I still texted the unknown person. Hindi ko rin alam kung bakit. I don't want anyone to know who I know see me like this. Okay, so Precious drunk texted a random number. And then it said, hello. E-L-L-O-E. Smile. Sino to? What if sunduin mo ako dito? Excuse me, what? Who are you? Dami namang Eva. Tunong lang ako, please. If you're not gonna tell me who you are, ibablock talaga. Pati ba naman ikaw, itataboy ako. Oh my God, sad boy! Get the fuck out! Hindi nga kasi kita kilala. Why don't you tell me who you are muna bago ka mag-emote dyan? And it's in all caps. That's exactly what I would say. Sama-sama naman ang mga tao sa akin. Be, ibablock kita. Tangin mo. Lahat na lang kayo, tinataboy ako. Sad face. Sabi ko, guard my baliw. Oh my God, that's something I would say. True, be. Baliw na baliw sa kanya. Sundo mo me. My parents told me not to talk to strangers. Tigilan mo ako kung nagtitrip ko. Broken-hearted na nga yung tayo ginaganyan mo pa. Napaka-insensitive mo na. Lo! I had time. And then so ako to, Eva OnlyFans _ So this is my Twitter dump. Eva OnlyFans _ Parang di naman na grade 2 eh. 18. Kahit nakakahiya, patuloy pa rin siyang chinachat. After a few minutes, he blocked me. That's our... Okay, so Minty Fresh tweeted like, masakit pero ... In fairness, the tweet had 326 quote tweets, 36.8k likes. Famous. Oh my God, tas nag-post si Vinyas. Missing, Precious Paula Nicole. Last seen wearing ewan. Kindly call 8700 Jollibee Delivery if nakita niyo siya. Something Vinyas would say, yeah. Okay, so number 28. Wala na kami ni Minty. Laking gulat nilang bigla nung sinabihin ko to. Paano? Ano nangyari? Before ko kayo i-text, may nabulabog akong buhay. I contacted a random number. Hindi ko na matandaan mga nangyari. I smiled when I remember. Hey, are you okay now? Thought you were a weirdo earlier. Reading your messages again made me think na baka lasing ka lang. Ako to?
Yeah.
Ako to? Broken-hearted ka, no? I've been there, so sorry you're going through this right now. Just don't message someone random, baka ikaw pa mapahamak. Pasalamat kay isang anghel na katulad ko ang na-chat mo. Medyo malapit siya, like, I do have like that altruistic tendency. Some people would say it's like the messianic complex. It's like parang I feel I am a blessing in this world. Like when people in need my help, like, I give advice because I'm such a nice person like that. Diba? I have that nature. Alam mo, kung ngayon to nangyari, gagawin ko niyan. Gagawin ko pang evangelism episode to. So guys, welcome to my evangelism. May random number pala na nag-message sa akin. Oh yeah, meron naman kayong idea for another AU, ha? Oh, may picture pa nila. Cute. Share up. Okay, so there's this group chat called Mickey Mouse Playhouse. Guys, anong nangyari kay Precious? Bakit may cheer up? Ewan, huh? Sige, cheer up, Crushy Cakes, Precious Dodie. Oh, so crush ko si Precious. Okay, so POV ko na to. Summarize it at this point. So, what happened is that Precious broke up with Minty. He drunk texted a random number which happened to be myself, Evil Queen, and we continued talking not knowing that we are each other. Mukhang magkakilala naman kami somehow outside, in an outside world. Obviously, I have like a real life crush in this. Oh my god, this is confusing. I don't know what reality is. I don't know what's real anymore. So dito, I have a crush kay Precious. Okay. Lang ba ako sa AU may crush kay Precious? Ano ba kayo? Cheka. Okay, good night, Be. Sana hindi ka makita sa bangungot mo. So, apparently, I received a random text and I entertained that. So, I guess, marami akong time nitong panahon na to. Oh, okay lang. Baka hindi talaga kayo para sa isa't isa ng BF mo. Hindi niya deserve ng isang babaeng katulad. Actually, di ako babae, I'm bisexual. Oh, sino ba yung lalaking yun? Wala. Tutulog ko na lang. Okay, so, is this my phone? Yeah, so this is my phone and pinangalananan ko siyang Taong Sawi. So, I called Precious Paula Nicole Taong Sawi. Okay, good night, Be. Sana hindi mo siya makita sa bangungot mo. Good night, sabi ni Precious. Sabi ko, good night, world. Ay, in fairness yung account ko dun sa AU has a blue check. So, it's a verified account. Asim. Tulog na ba si Precious? Okay, so there's a conversation. POV at chapter 42. So, I was talking to Prince. 3 p.m. pa lang, inihintay ko na sundo ako ni Prince. Palagi ako nagpapasundo sa kanya. Lagi rin ako tinatamad mag-drive. Habang nahihintay, tinatapos ko muna itong isang level ng Plants vs. Zombies. After ko maglaro, dinouble check ko muna lahat ng gamit ko. Makeup, outfit, wigs, check. Kulang na lang ay tagalambing. Since napakatagal ni Prince at tinatamad pa rin ako maglaro, chinat ko muna si Taong Sawi, pampapawi ng boredom. Ang pokpok ko. I'm such a slut. I love it. May bed scene ba dito? So, saang part yung bigla akong nagkaroon ng sexual awakening and I was like, you know what? I am sex positive and like, I'm in control of my body. Wala. Sana meron. Okay, Precious POV. Huy, lalaki. Kanina ka pa nag-text ng text dyan. Sabay palo ng balikat ko si Vinyas. Tignan ko na masama. Tara mo naman. Chapter 44. Ito ba yung idol nyo na si Vinyas Deluxe? Pangit naman. Tapos nanghingi lang ko ng cheesy. Tangina, inubos yung cheesy. Gusto ko ng cheesy. Cheesy. Okay. So, phone naman to ni Precious. Sa phone ni Precious, ang pangalan ko ay random. Sinave ko yung number Cheesy. Hotdog. Ang random mo, lasing ka ulit. Gusto ko cheesy. Buntis ka ba? Ba't bigla-bigla akong nag-crave ng cheesy? Parang nag-crave din tuloy ako ng cheesy. Parang I want something salty. Kala ko ba wala akong matres? Kailan gender review? Long time no see. Oo, bakit naman? May nalungkot ata. Okay. Eva's POV. Chapter 49. After show, umalis na ako kaagad kahit hindi pa ako naka-undrag. Nag-book na lang ako ng Grab para hindi na may istorbo pa si Prince. Wala rin naman yung taong magpapasaya sa akin doon. Ewan ko ba, nagsisimula pa lang akong mag-drag. May crush talaga ako sa kanya. Lakas kaya ng dating. Kaso very small interactions lang kami, kaya I never had a chance to get to know him better and for him to get to know me better. Wala rin naman akong karapatang magselos kay Mindy noon kasi wala naman kaming pinagsamahan ni Precious. Okay na ako sa ganito. I'll continue admiring him from afar hanggang makaget over ako. Hay nako Eva, tama na ang drama. Kapagod gag. Kaya ko ba to? I grabbed a bag of chips pero biglang may isa pa akong kamay na dumampot dito. Naramdaman ko yung palad ng tao dumampi sa kamay ko. I immediately turned my head to see who it was. I was surprised. Si Precious. Okay. So I was just thinking about him and I was like, you know, and then I go to pumunta ako ng grocery. Kung pumunta ako ng cheesy at nandun din yung taong iniisip ko. Precious! Kasama na pa rin ang kamay niya kamay namin sa chichirya. Hindi niya ako sinagot pero nginitaan niya ako. Tinanggal niya yung kamay niya at sorry. Uy, ano ka ba? Okay lang, kunin mo na. Okay. And then I tweeted about it. Wala na, napatawa ko na siya. Happy feel niya ako. Delulo ang puta! Maya-maya, sabi niya sa akin, nililibin niya raw ako ng cheesy tsaka inumin. Deep inside, parang gusto kong sumabog na ewan. Pagkabot niya sa akin ng mga binili niya. Thank you, bait mo pala. Yan naman siya, ba't di ka pa uuwi? Okay. Bumili siya ng beer. Okay. Ayoko. Ikaw, ba't di ka sumapot, beer? Paano mo nalaman? Nakita mo rin sa Twitter. Halata naman eh. gusto mo. Nalok siya ng cheesy at kumuha naman siya. Sarap talaga kapag kasama mo yung mahal mong kumain. Lord. Oo nga naman. At this point, you know, it's nice. For me, it's well written. Kasi I love to read. Nagbabasa ako ng Precious Hearts nung bata pa ako. Yung yaya namin, no, mahilig din siya sa Precious Hearts. So, binabasa ko yung binabasa niya. The development of the establishing is clear. Nagre-react ako ng ganito kasi nai-imagine kung ako yun. But yeah. Okay, we're gonna continue reading. Napatuloy lang ako sa pag-usap na ganun. So, hindi pa niya ako fina-follow. Grabe yung magpakilig. Okay. Uwi ka na ba after niya? Tanong niya sa akin. Hindi pa naman. Wala akong sasakyan. Hatid na kita sa babahay mo. Oh, work. Namumula ka ata. May sakit ka ba? Di ka nga. Hatid na kita. Baka mabinat ka ba? Oh my gosh. Hindi ka nang panas sa may paniwalag sa kanya na namula ako. Kasi grabe siya magpakilig. Pagsakay ka sa kotse niya, amoy agad sa loob ng kotse yung pabango na suot-suot niya mula kanina. Okay, para bang ayaw mong bumaba ng kotse. Lagay mo address mo. Inabot niya sa akin yung phone. Naka-open yung Waze. Basta malamig lang. Hindi galit, hindi malungkot, hindi masaya. Basta malamig. Nonchalant. Kasi nga naman, bagong breakup. Good night, loves. Tapos ang tweet ko, cheesy the best. Precious good night. Okay. Thank you for tonight. Nag-PM pa siya sa Twitter ko. Good night. I actually got distracted from all my problems. Thank you for tonight. Okay. Ha? Ano ba yan? Ang hirap magpaninig sa make account. Nakapalag yung pinapaninggan. Okay, cute. Maingit kayo. Dami account mo siguro yan. Tapos pinalitan mo yung name mo ng Precious pala, Nicole. Tapos chinat mo sarili mo. Something Prince would say. Hello, gising ka pa. Bored ako. Hindi nga ako makatulog eh. Pikit mo mata mo, tapos matulog ka. Ang sungit ka naman kay taong sawi. Alright, finally pumayag na rin siya sumama sa gala. Okay. In fairness, ang pogi ni Precious sa mga pictures niya dito, Like, di ba? Pogi niya dito sa mga, fairness. Na-develop nga. Nagkaka-feelings na ba? Paano ang tagal kong tinitigan yung picture? You know, I like yung mga chunks ng mga maraming binabasa. Precious POV, Precious gising. Unti-unti na mulat galing sa akin ito pag-alig niya. Gigising pala, tagal na. Okay na siya, guys. Goodbye. Tutuloy pa ba tayo? Dito lang tayo. Eva's POV. Oh, Ma'am Precious. Buti nadalaw kayo. Ma'am Precious. Tinawag ko si Precious na Ma'am Precious. Pagbati nung guard kay Precious. Ano ba yan? Nakagulo-gulo na. Sorry. Ba naman dito, kilala siya ng workers. Grabihan ba na sa idol? Ito sa salita. Habang naglalakad kami, papuntang table namin, nagsalita bigla. Eva, try mo bestseller nila dito. Promise, makakalimutan mo pangalan mo pag natikman mo recipe ni Precious. Recipe Nino? Recipe ni Precious? Ba't recipe ni Precious? I own the restaurant, Eva. Ay, Nox! Rampa. Ang pangalan ba nung is Rampa? In fairness, so chef din siya dito. Oo, sis. He, Precious own. Basta kung ano yung sinabi niya, siya may-ari dito. Lahat ng nasa menu, recipe ni Precious. Okay. Tulungan mo naman mag-prepare doon. Bakit parang kayong dalawa lang may alam na si Precious may-ari ng restaurant to? I asked them out of curiosity. Siyempre, alam mo naman si Precious, talaga yung mga close friends niya nang sinabihan niya about opening ito, tsaka si Meme. Para raw kasi sa kanya, iba kasi siya kapag siya si Precious. Nagluluto siya, tapos mahilig siya sa cheesy. Inulam kaya niya yung cheesy? Meron kayang cheesy sa menu niya? Tumango na lang kasi ako kasi wala rin naman ako masaya. I'm just amazed kasi ang dami palang hindi dinidisclose ni Precious in public. Habang naghihintay kami ng food, may nag-serve ng appetizer. At a few minutes, nakita ko si Precious palabas ng kitchen. Sumunod sa kanya yung dalawang waiters na may dalang napakaraming pagkain. Ang sarap ng food. Yung H-U-H-U-E-E-U-H-H-H-U-H-E-U-E. Thank you, chef. Oh my gosh. Ang sarap ng food dito. We just met coincidentally pero feeling ko sinundan talaga ako ni Vinyas. Pero yes, manifesting drag show with my divine sisters. Work! Landi mo, Eva Laguna. So, taong sawi. So, nag-usap na naman sila. Anniversary ng Tender Juicy Hotdog ngayon. So, chapter 75. Anniversary ng Tender Juicy Hotdog ngayon. Ipasa mo to sa 10 araw. Bago magtapos ang araw, kung hindi magiging hotdog ka, wag kang tumawa yung tita ko hotdog na. Ayaw kitang mahaging hotdog. Please pass. Tapos sasagot sa akin ni Precious, ingay mo. Hala, finally, after 6 hours, nag-reply ka. Hinihintay mo na replies ko, crush mo ko, no? Animal ka, wag kang feeling hair. Ang pangit mo, mas pangit ka. Ganyan talaga ang buhay, parang life. Minsan ay sometimes. Kaya matuto tayong tumanggap ng acceptance. Halimbawa, hindi mo maintindihan, you don't understand. Basta kaibigan, lagi mo tandaan, wherever you are there. At the end of the day, ay gabi. Parang, si Rufa may iwain ng message. So, nagpapakwelahan kami. So, oh my gosh. So, pinapatawa namin ang isa't isa. So, that's chapter 76. Alright, so chapter 76, may nag-PM. Nag-PM si Minty Fresh kay Vinyas. Sabi niya, hello, kamusta siya? Question mark. Si Precious, kamusta siya? After mo siya paiyakin at saktan, okay na siya. Vinyas, you know that it was my only choice. Pagod na ako sa kaibigan mo. I'm only here because I'm worried about him. Ayoko lang mangyari yung dati. Ganun naman pala, ba't mo iniwan? Okay na siya, he's slowly healing, kaya pwede ka nang hindi manggulo. Oh my God, sabi niya, Vinyas, I still love your friend. Iniwan mo nga siya. Should I talk to him? For what? Para iparamdam mo na naman sa kanya na he's worthless. No. I wanna talk to him kasi I still love him. Oh my God! Medyo team Minty ako doon, no? Kasi parang, what if, mahal pa rin niya, pero hindi lang niya ma-keep up yung ganong, ng relationship. Na parang, may jowa ka, pero parang kang walang jowa. So, understandable naman, yes. Medyo team Minty ako doon. Oops, nag-text si Min. So, nagkwentuhan ng mga bakla, ganyan. So, number 78, ipapamatch ko na talaga si Precious at Eva M. Huy, good idea. Gagawin lang rebound si Eva. Uy, hindi. Irereto lang si Eva. Okay, new ship. Kausapin ng drag coordinator. Request ako Divine Divas X Drag Playhouse uli. Ako na mismo susundo kay Precious. In fairness. Hayaan mo yung dalawang yun. Destiny na ang bahala. Okay na ako, basta wag lang si Min destined kay Precious. So Vinyas naman pala ay number 1 shipper ng Evasius. Hi Min, good eve. Hello. I know what you told Vinyas. Ang bilis sabi niya. So, chapter 79, nag-message naman si Briggs kay Minty. I know what you told Vinyas. You wanted to talk to Precious. Yes, I want to and need to. I want him back. Oh! For what? You still love him? But why did you make him go through all the pain? Oo nga naman. I mean, your love for my friend is valid, but I want you to think about him too. You know naman, di ba? Yes, I know. Pero what about me? Ako na lang magtitiis ng pangungulila ko sa kanya. Ang galing kasi meron ding mga typo. Magtitiid. Magtitiid sa pangungulila. Yeah, like, it's so, like, down to that detail. I love it. I talked to Min na. I don't know if na-convince siya, pero I did what I can. Ang gulo nila, gag. In fairness, ang pakailamera. Hindi, kasi sa bagay, si Minty naman kasi yung una nag-message kay Vinyas. Tapos ngayon, parang, it's everyone's business. For me, like, if a friend messages me, like, for example, nakipag-break, ganyan, parang, girl, leave me out of it. Kasi, by the end of the day, kapag nagkasakitan kayo lalo, kayo naman yung masasaktan, hindi ako. So, it's feeling ko hindi ko business to do that. Well, that's just me. And, ang advice ko kasi sa mga ganyan, lagi, ang titi ay titi lang. So, always remember, ang titi ay titi lang. Yes. Thank you. Ayan, Gagi, magdadrive ako para sa'yo. Oh my gosh, nagdadrive ako dito. Chapter 82, so nagdadrive ako dito. Min, ba't ka ba kasi ganyan? Babalik ba? Kapagod. Okay. Good night. Hehe, gusto ko ng cheesy tuloy, sabi ni Precious. Check DMs. Pok. Gusto mo cheesy? Oo, bakit? Tara, saan? Dun sa dati. Hindi na ako makatulog eh. Sige ba? See you, alis na ako. Dali nyo naman makausap sa cheesy lang. Ayan, Gagi, magdadrive ako para sa'yo. Huli pa dito, meron akong non-pro license. At pumasa ako sa LTO. So, nagdadrive ako, ganyan. Pasend pa lang ako ng alis na ako right now. Hindi na ako nag-hesitate umalis ng bahay. Hindi ko rin alam. Ba't ko pa ba inaya si Precious? Dapat natulog na lang ako. Lesson learned, wag na lang mag-aya. Diyos ko, bye. Why? Precious POV. Umalis na kaagad ako ng bahay. Hindi ko na chinek na nag-reply ba ulit sa huling chat. Kailangan ko lang pala talaga na makausap niya. Buti na lang gising pa si Eva. Bago ako pinandar yung kotse ko, nag-play muna ako ng music. Pag pinot ko ng shuffle, nag-play yung kanta ni Zia Kizon na Ako Na Lang. Hindi ko nga alam na nasa go-to playlist ko pala to. Pinaandar ko na yung kotse, ang tanging narinig ko lang ay Ako Na Lang, kung pwede lang, I wish. Buti na lang hindi na ako tinatamaan sa kantang to. Wala naman ang aasahan pa, di ba? Kinabahan ako, same time, hindi na mapigilan sila kung nag-drive papunta sa location kung saan kami mag-meet. Ba't ko pa inaya si Precious POV. Patuloy ako nagmaneho hanggang sa makarating ako sa meetup place namin. Itong convenience store na to kung saan kami nagkamanggaan ng isang araw. Pagbaba ko ng saya, bumungad agad si Eva na nakatayo sa harap ng pintuan ng convenience store. Malayo pa lang, kitang-kita ko yung ngiti na abot tenga niya. Pok. Hindi ko na malaya na nakakingiti na rin ako. Ang hirap ng ngiti hanggang tenga, ha? Nang makalapit ako sa kanya, mas lalo pa siyang ngumiti. Tara. Cheese sa'yo, libre naman ako maaham. Wala to, normal lang to. Normal? Hindi ka naman ganyan dati. Alam mo dati, kahit hindi pa tayo nag-uusap, natatanan kasi kita. Ang ganda-ganda ng ngiti mo habang nagpa-perform ka. Hindi naman lagi nakasimangan si Precious Ponent ko. May problema ba? Diba? This my shit. All the girls will feel like this. Obvious pa? Oo naman. Tumawa na lang siya habang naghihintay. Kwento ka na lang sa akin if comfortable ka lagi. Lagi akong makikinig. I'm such a... Shoulder to cry on yung atake ko, no? Okay, pag-upo na lang namin, hindi ko napigilan yung emotion ko. Nagsimula na ako magkwento sa kanya. Hindi ko rin napigilan. Huwag kang mag-sorry. It's okay, I'm here. Well, I did not expect that to happen. I'm always here. Kung sana hindi ako naging torpe na baka hindi ka umiiyak ngayon. Oh my God, the fuck? Lifesaver, cheesy, Coke, and E. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. You know why this hits different? Because many a times I was like that. Lalo na nung I had my first boyfriend at the age of 26, 25. So, lagi akong ganyan. Parang people are so comfortable with me. And I always give myself out like that na parang kahit na rebound hindi ko iniisip. And then because this really happened in real life na I have presented myself to guys that haven't moved on from their ex. So yung shoulder to cry on approach, I have done that many times. And in number 86, dapat talaga di na lang gumagawa ng ibang account para hindi na mamali ng posting. Sino si E? So, na-post ni Precious sa, niya, sa main account niya, yung Cheesy, Coke, and E. Okay. 8 to 7. Parang I'm connecting the dots na E is Eva, I feel. Oh my God. Marina who? Hayes, hulog na naman ako. Kuhang-kuha niya talaga kiliti ko. Tulog ka na please, naririnig din na ako. Para hindi, alam mo sa totoong buhay, si Marina, sobrang supportive niyan sa love life. Actually, ganun kami. Like, if there's a guy, medyo mailap kasi ang love life sa amin talaga. So, kapag merong bagong guy, na parang sobrang support kami sa isa't isa. See you saan? Drag na. Oo nga pala, see you din. Eva, tumatapang liquid. Okay, so at this point, nagdi-DM na ako directly kay Precious. Hi, Bes, good morning. But, saan kayo galing ni Eva kagabi? Hindi man kami magkasama kagabi, what do you mean? Hi, nako, don't lie to me, I saw your tweet. Si Eva ba talaga iniisip mo kapag letter E? Sino? Evaporada. Oo na. Paano ba kayo naging close? Di naman kayo nagpapansinan before. Oo nga, no? Hasa mag-DM sa tweet. Kukunin niya nga yung number. Good luck, bossing. Ha? Friends lang kami. I swear to God, wait for 6 months, hulog ko na sa kanya. Hindi naman gugulo si Fresh. Ganda ko kasi eh. Manggugulo siya kanino? Kay Vinya? Sa'yo? Then, na-misinterpret mo lang. Okay. Ano ba? Na-pressure ako. Lagot ako kay Vinya. Kasi alam mo na, nangamusta lang siya. Tapos sabi niya, kausapin ka raw niya. That's it. I'll talk to Minty. Hindi dapat kayong ginugulo niya. No, it's okay. Oh my gosh. So, kakausapin ni Precious si Minty. Kasi nga naman, ba't naman ginugulo nga naman ni Minty yung friends? Alam mo, in fairness, Minty dito hindi Minty sa totoong buhay, baka mamaya. Minty, ikaw yung nakipag-break, tapos guguluhin mo yung friend, ang labo mo Alam mo kung red flag si Precious, red flag ka rin. I think mas bagay kayo. Ako yung patahimikin nyo. See you later, loves. Hehe, Pogi. Oh my God! Ang lakas ng loob ko magsabi ng Pogi. I tweeted about it. See you later, P. See you, Eva. May tatanong pala ako sa'yo later. Uy! Ano yan? May tatanong daw siya sa akin. Nagpasundo ako ulit kay Prince papuntang venue. Pagdating namin, binuhat ko na lahat ng gamit ko. Then, pumunta. Pagpasok ko, walang tao. Ano may gamit na nakalagay doon sa table. Nilapag ko muna, din lang gamit sa Prince and table. Habang nag-ayos ako ng gamit, may cheesy na nakalagay sa vanity table ko. Kinuha ko ito. May nahulog na note. Ang nakasulat, enjoy your cheesy. Para sa akin ba to? Baka namali lang yung table. Sinabi ko muna yung cheesy. Baka kasi hindi naman. Wala naman nakasulat na to Eva, di ba? Patuloy lang ako nag-ayos ng makeup para mamaya. Nagutom ako kaya binuksan ko yung cheesy. Marina, gusto mo rin ba yung cheesy? Pagkarap ko, hindi pala si Marina. Masarap ba? Kinikilig ako sa cheesy. Oh my God. Alam mo, guys, I'll never see cheesy in the grocery store the same way again. Every time dadaan ako sa snacks area. Oh my God. That was good. That was good. Chapter 95, that's exactly what I would say. Hoy, tangin na yung lahat. Oh my gosh. Penging ayuda sa DDX DPH. Ay, okay, back view. Oh yeah, this is exactly Eva and Precious Crumbs. Wow. Oh my goodness. Oh, cheesy. Hindi. I think it was told kasi in a very, it was described and written here in such a way of, it reminds you of a childhood crush or a high school kind of love. Yung, these are the kind of stories and love stories na often fuels you when you were younger. When you believe that love was innocent, na sa cheesy kinikilig, sa mga that was good. Tapos, yung eksaktong episode pa yon, merong kanta, merong background music. Oh, Priva. OMG. Guys, ba't parang naging close si E and P bigla? Di ba dati di naman sila nagpapansinan? Tawa sila ng tawa kanila. Parang may sariling mundo. Oh my God. Priva. Pangit. Ba't naman Priva niyeta? Pangat ang Priva, Evasius. Eh! So, Evasius was born. Dapat siya, cheesy-vacious. Cheesy-vacious. Okay, so this is the time na nakapag-usap ulit kami ni Taong Sawi. May ingit ka sa akin. Feeling ko, unti-unti na nahulog yung crush ko sa akin. Talaga ba? Ako kasi iniwan sa ere. Gagiw. Dapat ba akong tumawa dyan? Animal ka? Teka, ano name mo? Tagal-tagal mo na nagte-text, hindi ko pa alam name mo. Oo. Ayun nga, anyway, kasama ko crush ko ngayon. May ka-text siya. Ay, dapat ako na lang ka-text niya. La! Hindi mo sure, baka di man siya nahuhulog sa'yo, so meron ka lang. Bad ka. Binigyan niya ako ng pagkain kanina. May binigyan rin akong friend kanina ng pagkain. Friend lang ba talaga, madam? Oo, no? Sa kanya ako nagrarant minsan. Oh my gosh! Baligtad pala tayo eh. Ako taga-kinig ng rants. Oh, okay. Oh my God! Alam mo, medyo mixed signals yung crush ko. Minsan may gana makapag-usap, minsan wala. Baka naman kasi ang tingin niya sa'yo kaibigan lang. Ganito na lang gawin mo. Mawala ka ng ilang araw, tapos marirealize niya na namiss ka niya. Hindi ko kaya, Leche. Eva's POV, this is chapter 99. Nasaan si Prince? Tanong ko kay Ovi. Teo, malis na kanina pa. Alis na rin kami nila Marina. Book na lang ako Grab. Hi, iniwan ako ng Prince. Okay. Psst, ba't di ka pa umuwi? Biglang tapik sa akin ni Precious. Habang hawak ko yung phone ko. Wala akong sasakyan ulit. Matipid kong saad. So wala akong gana. Pagod. Sabay na kita. Cancel mo na yan. Sure ka? Oo naman, Eva ako pa ba? Sige, hintayin kitang matapos siya. Nitang ko siya. Prince, thank you so much sa pag-iwan sa akin. Ay, nakalimutan kita. Balikan kita, teka. Si Prince, siya dito na as a driver. Sa bagay, sa amin din, siya, alam ko sa amin, siya yung unang nagkakotse. Then Marina, then me. Wag na ihatid na ako ni Precious. Okay. Eva's POV, Number 103. Thank you for the ride home, P. Cheesy and ride home. Grabe ka talaga. Welcome. Okay. Taong sawi. Miss ka namin, ka-TM. Dahil mahalaga ka sa amin, ibigyan kita ng free 20 minutes of calls and 100 texts to TM Global for 1 day. Mag-load lang ng one time at least. It really hurts ang magmahal ng ganito. Sabi ng mama mo, tita na lang daw. Ang epal ko, no? Sorry, naka-DND ako, nagdadrive ako eh. Nakauwi ka na. Oo, kilig so much kanina. Sayang hindi ka nagre-reply niya. I think the reason kung bakit kahit they're in the same proximity and hindi sila giveaway kasi iba yung personality nung nag-uusap sa iMessage sa kung sino sila towards each other sa totoong buhay. So parang prim and proper si Eva sa totoong buhay pagkita niya si Precious, pero pagkausap niya si Taong Sawi, kupal siya, alam mo yun. So parang I think kaya meron siyang dissonance or hindi nila na-associate yung isa't isa. Dissonance. Nakalimutan ko itanong sa'yo kanina ang anin. Wala, mas maganda if personal, sabi ni Briggs. Okay, kailan tayo mag-meet ulit? Who? Client ko kanina sa Grab, Eva Liquid. Oh my God! Replying. Hehe, Evacious 10 na talaga ako. Evacious, crying emoji. Kunwari, clueless. So, parang soft launch. Oo. Because in gay life, kapag pinost ka na on social media, soft launch na yun, diba? So, chapter 107, there was a time skip 2 weeks later. Basahin natin siya. Alam nyo, sa mga AUs, delikado kapag mayroong background music eh. Parang, embrace yourself. Embrace! Embrace! So, okay. Eva's POV, chapter 107. It's been 2 weeks since Precious posted our photo together in her main account. Hindi rin naman kami madalas mag-chat kasi hindi naman siya ganong ka-active sa Twitter niya. I'm just doubting everything. Oh. Ayoko naman yung pagsisikan yung sarili ko sa kanya. Pero siya mismo yung lumalapit. Minsan, ayoko na namang maging rebound. Naka naman pa rin noon si Minty or maybe nag-assume lang ako. Right now, I'm just staring at my bedroom window. Overthinking everything. Iba matalino kang tao pero napakatang mas pag-ibig. Ganun taon namang pero ba't kailangan ngayon ka pa lang niya ma-appreciate kung kailan kakahiwalay niya? Nakaisip ko sa kanya, hindi ko na malaya na may missed calls pala siya sa akin a few minutes ago. Bakit? I called him back. He answered. Hello? Eva, mister. Di ka ba bukas? Bakit? Wala lang, miss lang kita. Eme. Kain tayo sa rest. Okay. Sundan kita by 4 p.m. See you. I'll end then. Hello rin, grabe may signals ng crush ko. Parang ayoko na. Pero di ko naman siya matiis. So si Random. Ako to, di ba? Nalilito na ako. Minsan nagpa-first move, minsan hindi. Ano ba talaga? Grabe naman emote mo dyan. Wala na akong pera pambili ng alak. Secret, owner ako ng resto. Oh, really? That's so cool. Oh my God! That's such a giveaway! Hello, Eva. Okay, so Venus messaged me. Ikaw, punta kayong resto ni Precious mamaya. Wala naman. Grabe na talaga kayo. Sakit sa mata. Ang swerte mo naman. Mukhang hulog na sa'yo yung crush mo for years. Friends na kami. Friends daw. Si Precious nga. Never pa ako hinatid sa bahay ko. Nag-tweet si Minty Fresh ng missing you like crazy. Okay. Panay. View ko for today. Hi, good morning. Oh my God! Sinoff lunch ko si Precious. God, I'm a slut. Nasa tabing table niyo lang kami. Pangit ko dyan. Kailan ka pa naging pangit? Bangin na! Okay, so I messaged Taong Sawi. Hulog na ako sa kanya. Ang tanong, hulog din ba siya sa'yo? Kontrabida ka naman sa love story na. Palibasa walang mga love life. Okay lang, at least hindi mo masasawala. Mga gwapo siya na maunang lumapit eh. Ikaw naman ang umiwas. What if ikaw naman pala masasaktan sa huli? Okay lang. Basta siya, I waited for this moment my whole life. Kung gusto ka niya, dapat dati pa siya ganyan sa'yo. Oo nga naman. So, hindi naman. So, basically, you're saying na baka pinapaasa niya na ako. Well, actually, kakabreak niya lang from a relationship. Yun na pala, he's probably using you to move on from his ex. Ewan. Pero kasi, diba, sabi mo nung isang araw, bigla lang siya naging close sa'yo. Am I being weird if sabihin kong, I actually feel better when I'm with him? Okay lang sa akin, nasaktan niya ako. Hala, baliw, bahala ka pag ikaw na naman ng drunk chat sa akin, sinaktan na ako na naman mamablock sa'yo. Wala kang love life eh. Kaya ako siguro iniwan na kasi ang bitter-bitter mo. I'm just enjoying my life right now. Good night. Okay. Kailan ba ako makakabuelo kunin number na ito? Oh my gosh! Precious. So, gusto na akong kukunin na niya naman. Hi, punta ka resto tonight. Ako magluto. Busy ako eh. La, saan naman? Basta next time na lang, pero I appreciate it. Ala, nonchalant ako. Sinabi ni taong sawi na umiwas. Socket naman nun. Sorry, baby guys. Hi, Eva Tara Resa. Oh, hello. Sorry. Good evening, Eva Tara. Good morning, night. Good afternoon. Oh my God! Oh, hello. Sorry, busy. Ang pakul ko, te! Tangina, pakul. Ang pakul, gago. Ano bang ginawa ko? Sad face. Oh my gosh. 1, 2, 4? Ini-ignore ata ako ni Eva. Ewan ko, biglaan lang. Ano ginawa mo? Ba't ako agad? Di ko rin alam. Siyempre, ignore na nga ako eh. Sinong di malulungkot? Feeling ko iba na yan, ha? Oh, in denial. Minty fresh. Para sa kanya ba yan? Umuwi ka na, baby. Oh my gosh. Hindi. Parang yung kay Eva Parada. Eva Parada yung pangalan ko. Huwag pilingera, please. Ayan. Okay, so nasa 126 na tayo. Oplan, balik ka na, Miss Eva Parada. So, gumawa sila ng group chat. Si Marina, si Vinya, si Prince, at si Brigiding. 1 month na kaming hindi nag-hangout. Okay. Tapos gumawa sila ng group chat. Oh my goodness. Siguro walang racket. Walang racket ang mga baklang to. Ang daming time, ha. Marina, to? Hi guys, need ni Precious yung help natin. May na-mention ba sa inyo si Eva kung ba't ini-ignore niya si Precious? Meron kasi bawal i-spill. Precious would say. Anyway, ito na nga. By 5 p.m, punta kayo sa location na i-DM ko sa inyo. Tapos, tutulungan natin i-surprise ni Precious si Eva. Sweet naman. I work. Okay, gets. Iba ka na talaga. So, nandito si Precious din sa group chat na to. Oh my God. Ngayon, ang tanong, gusto mo ba si Eva? Ewan. Hay nako, topic kaya. Oh my God. Bigay ko sa iyo ako. Gusto ko galing mismo sa kanya. Di wow. Oh my God. Hindi nga makuha-kuha number ni Eva. Oh my gosh. Okay. So, everyone's like conniving na. Okay. Hi, Eva. Taragala. Saan resto ni Precious? Kasama ba siya? Sino? Si Precious. Hindi. May ganap siya tonight. Bakit? Wala. Sige, sama ako. What tayo? 7 p.m. dinner tayo. Okay, see you. Okay. Okay na. Ikaw hang romantic mo naman pala. Thank you, Mishi. May bayad to. Okay. Ang ganda ko sa kwento. I love it. Number 128. Okay. Eva's POV. In fairness, yung mga POV ko may music, ha. 6 p.m. na, kaya umalis na akong bahay. Baka kasi abutan ako ng traffic at malik ako sa call time. Sinimulan ko na yung kotse ko, pero bago ako pinaanda, nagpatugtog muna ako ng music. While driving, naisip ko na naman si Precious. Ano bang meron sa taong yon at laging pumapasok sa isipan ko? Pagdating ko sa resto ni P, nagpark ako bumaba na agad ng sasakyan. I took a deep breath before stepping inside. I tried looking for Vinyas, pero there was no sign of her there. I went inside at may nakita akong nakaset up. Wala ring iba sa resto, kaya baka naka-reserve yun. Not even a minute after, I saw Vinyas na. Pero may iba pa siyang kasama sa likod niya. Eventually, namukaan ko rin kung sino tong mga to. Si Brigiding, Marina, Prince, at Ovi. They were holding a rose each. Oh my gosh. A waiter then assisted me to a seat. Isa-isang inawat sa akin yung mga kaibigan ko yung roses. I smiled at them, one by one. Birthday ko ba? Ba't parang may 18 roses naman? After a few minutes, lumabas na naman yung mga waiters na may daladalang pakaraming pagkain. Behind them was also someone. Palapit sila ng palapit, unti-unti ko nang nakilala kung sino yung nasa likod nila. Si Precious. Ang gwapo-gwapo niya sa suot niya. Hi, Eva. I miss you. Please don't ignore me again. Oh my God! Oh my God. Precious. Ba't kailangan pa ng ganito? You should have just talked to me in private. Eva, sorry. Bakit? I just found out something. What? I'm the one who drunk chatted you nung nag-break kami ni Min. Ikaw si taong sawi? Oh my God. Oh my God. Yes, I just found out kasi si Prince, kahit sinabi kong gusto ko na ikaw mismo ang bigay ng number mo sa akin, binigay niya pa rin yung number mo and it looked familiar. And I think ako rin yung reason kung bakit hindi mo ako pinansin. Oh my God! I gave you what ifs not knowing na you were just talking about me. Oh my God! Oh my God! I read your messages ulit. I realized na all this time you were just talking about me. I realized na ako yung crush yung mo. And he smiled. So, hindi ko na naman na siguro kailangan mag umamin sa'yo about sa feelings ko, no? Ngiti ako sa kanya pabalik. This feels surreal. Na-miss kita. Oh my God. Oh, plan Miss Eva, say yes. Oh my goodness. Kinakabahan din naman kasali sa love life niyo. Tama na, Marina. Good luck, bro. Bro, good luck, pre. Good luck, kuya. Okay, so aamin na sa akin si Precious here. Ang ganda ko sa kwento. I love it. Miss Cheesy plus Paris Body, are you ready for tonight? Oh my God! Oh, Precious POV naman na may music. 265. Pagdating ko ng resto, nag-ayos ako kaagad ng decorations at food. While getting ready, I realized something. I'm still living the same life I used to live before I met Eva. I'm happier with Eva. I can't wait for tonight. I hope this surprise would go well and I hope she says yes. Ba't naman ako hindi? Precious, sabay yakap sa akin dalawa ni Briggs. Papunta na rin daw sila Marina. Pagkatapos yumakap sa akin. Handa ka na ba? Tanong yung pang-asal ni Linya sabay nagdalakad kami papunta sa table nila. I've waited my whole life for this. I just hope it becomes successful. I smiled. Ano nga palang gusto niyong dalawa para paghanda ako? Yung lagi namin in-order. Tumpak yung kay Eva kayaan. Alam ko naman gusto nun. Ngayon ko lagi in-order. Not long enough, biglang lumapit sa akin yung guard naka-duty. Ma'am Precious, may naghahanap po sa inyo sa labas. Hindi po, si Ma'am Minty ho. Oh my God! Ano kuya? Di kami nang bahala. Ba't naman nandito na naman siya? Oh my gosh, Briggs, let me handle this. Ayusin nyo na lang yung setup ko dito. Pala muna ako sa kanilang dalawa, sumama na ako kay Kuya Guard. So I step outside of the restaurant, alit ko ang mukha ni Min. Nakangiti siya sa akin, pero hindi ko na siya nginiti ang papabalik. Kuya, manan niyo po muna kami. Nagsalita agad si Min. Precious, I miss you. When mahipit. Min, what do you want? Oh my God! Minty! The fuck? Hindi siya sumagot. Imbes ba ito yung pagyakan? He smells like he's been drinking. Lasing ka ba? Pilit ko tinanggal yung kapit ng braso niya. Katawan. Sabi niya, baliw! Oh my gosh. He started crying. I didn't know what to do. All I did was to hug him back to show some comfort. Hindi ko na namalaya na matagal na kami magkayakap ni Minty until I noticed someone staring at us from afar. Eva. Bulong ko. Nakita kong papalapit na siya, kaya pilit ko tinanggal yung yakap ni Min sa akin. Instead of him letting go, I was shocked sa ginawa niya. He leaned his head, making it look like he was kissing me in Eva's point of view. Oh my God. Oh my God. That was so tangina. I saw how heartbroken Eva's eyes looked, but she was forcing herself to smile. Eva started running back to his car. I pushed Mindy out of the way. Nadala na ako ng emosyon. Eva! I shouted as I tried to chase his car. Oh my God! Minty! That was so kind. Oh my God! Ang slay! Minty! Why would you do that? Why would you do that? I saw Precious with Minty. They looked like they were kissing. Oh my God. I'm so happy for them. But na-realize nila na para sila sa isa't hina. Ang galing destiny. Eva, where are you? I'm at nowhere. Enjoy the night. Baba Grill. Ayoko nang ituloy. Niinis ako. Ayoko nang... Nakakainis. Minty. Nagilan mo na kami, Minty. Diyos ko. Hayaan mo na kami maging masaya. Nakainis. Precious, what the fuck was that? Kakapasabi ko pa lang na wag saktan. Ngayon pa talaga. Marina, what? Masaya ka na ba? It's not what it looks like. Hindi pa ba sapat yung nakita kaibigan namin? Oh my God, so nag-away-away sila. Deserve. I'm sorry about this. Putang ina, sorry. It's all my fault. Yes! I don't know. Bakit ngayon pa? Eva, mahal kita. Oh my God. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. You hurt my feelings. Anong mahal mo ko? You fucked with my head. Oh my God. Kapares ni Eva. Eva naman, let me explain please. I won't stop begging for your forgiveness. I'm sorry, let me explain please. Let's talk, Eva. Reply to me please, Eva. Ay nako, tama. Hindi mo deserve. Ay nako. I love you all, heart. Miss Eva, bakit nag-private? I love you so much. But nag-private, we love you more. Let's talk. Oh my gosh, ang haba. Eva ko, talk to me. I can't live without you. You guys hurt my feelings. 7th day, Eva, I'm forever waiting. Reply na. 1 week na pangungulit, wala pa rin ba talaga? Oh my gosh. Pero alam mo, hindi ako ganyan. Kasi kung totoong nangyari yan, may basag ang mukha. Basag ang mukha nila pareho talaga. Hindi niya na ako kukulitin kasi wala na siyang daliring pang text. Let's talk. Now. On the way na. Eva, my love, finally. Oh my gosh, mag-uusap na kami. Okay, mag-uusap na kami. This is it, Eva. Okay. Meron na namang music. So, alam na natin, kapag may music yung is like, embrace yourself. Okay. So, 277 at merong trigger warning, heartbreak. Precious POV. Pagdating ko sa location na sinad ni Eva, hinanap ko siya kagad. I didn't see her inside of the store. I just waited for her dun sa mga upuan na nakita ko. Kinakabahan ako ng ewan. You hurt my V! Will everything go back to normal after I explain everything to Eva? After a few minutes, I tried to call her not to check na said no answer. Then biglang bumukas yung pintuan ng convenience store na house. I finally saw Eva again. Hey. Hindi ako magtatagal, P. Eva, I just wanted to explain everything. Nung sa nakita mo, tapos natin pumunta si Minty bigla ang resto, tapos bigla siyang yumakap sa akin. She was drunk. Hindi rin kami naghahalikan, I swear, nagulat ako na biglang nag-lean si Minty. Then I realized na ginagawa niya yun to fool you na she kissed me. Oh my God, Minty, you're so mean. Alam ko. Marina told me. Also, she told me about the thing that you were supposed to do that day. Oh, Eva, I wanted to tell you how much I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. You don't need to say sorry to me. If the kiss was real, I would have been happy for you to bangay. Why am I talking like this? I'm just here to say goodbye. I'm going overseas. Hindi ako paniwala sa sinabi niya. She will leave me. Eva will leave me. P, I'm also here to say thank you and end kung ano man yung meron tayo. Wika niya habang nagpupumilit siyang umiti. To be honest, this was such a rough decision for me. It's either I go back to you or choose myself this time. Precious, alam mo ba, ang hirap-hirap mong mahalin. Sabi niya, habang pareho ng tumulo ang mga luha naming dalawa. I would say that. I was always doubting everything and paasa mo, tapos sa tuwing nakikita ko yung mga tweets ni Mi, nagigilty ako kahit hindi naman dapat. Girl! Kala ko rin kasi you were taking care of it. Until Minty texted me personally saying na layuan daw kita kasi nasasaktan siya. Gago, paano naman ako? Buong buhay ko, nagpakatanga ako sa'yo. Tapos kung kailan hinihiwalayan ka ng long-term partner mo, dun mo lang ako napansin. Oops. If you think you love me, it's not love. You're just longing for help. You needed help. That's why you love me, diba? Siya ang sakit-sakit mo. I was just waiting for you to say directly sa akin na mahal mo ako. Hindi yung natutulog ako o kaya through text. Kasi kung kailan pasuko na ako, doon mo marirealize na mahal mo pala ako. Ang ina Precious, pagod na ako. Sobrang sakit dito, oh. Thank you for everything, P. I will surely miss you. Eva, sorry. Sorry kung napagod ka. Oh, wala na! Oh, so we broke up. Eva left. It's all my fault. What? No. Shut up. What? Somewhere out of the country. Baka may, sumali somewhere. baka may sinalihan siyang Miss Gay Kinemi. Hi, Min. I just wanted to say na lalayuan ko na si Precious. Alam ko rin naman na magiging masaya siya kapag ikaw yung kasama niya. Min, nalagaan mo si Precious. Mahal ko yan. Huwag mo na siyang sasaktan ulit para di ka na rin masaktan. I'm happy for you too. I'm happy, Take her to the moon for me. That was shady, bitch! Take her to the moon! Eva, mag-ingat ka. Nandito ka lang lagi sa puso ko. I love you till death. Okay. 3 years later. Happy 3rd anniversary sa pang-ghost mo sa amin, Eva Le Queen. Oh my God! Happy anniversary. 283. My cheesy kaparet plus kapares. Happy 3rd anniversary sa pang-ghost mo. Mahal ko. I miss you every day like crazy. I can't believe it's been 3 years. I love you still. Like, Nicole, please. I want to send you sunflowers again. Call for you, but... Naiiyak. Lagi na. Sobrang invested. If I only knew na napapagod ka na pala, I would have done everything. The fuck? What the fuck is this? I miss you. I miss you more. Oh my gosh. To be continued. Remember, this is not the end, but rather a beginner for something new. Okay. Oh my god. So this ended like around March 30, 2024. Fairness. Wow. So, woo! That was a long read. So what are our thoughts about it? Kasi si Eva ganun siya eh. You know, for those who don't know, like, para akong sa 500 Days of Summer. Tom. Like, sobrang kaya all-time favorite movie ko yung 500 Days of Summer because I'm such a hopeless romantic. This kind of scenario has happened to me. I've chased someone who just, you know, recently broke up in hopes of finding my own love story. I fell in love with people who, ano. Pero ang difference lang is, yung si Eva dito, may ROI siya. Because Precious did love him back. It was really good. It was well written. I was invested in it. Kudos to the writer. Ice, congratulations. Oh my god, that was a good one. No wonder people are so invested with it. Because it was nicely written. Like, I love it. Would I have done the same thing? I think I would have done the same thing because I wanted to go sa ibang bansa. I think na parang it was wrong of Eva to dump it on Precious na dahil ang hirap-hirap mong mahalin. Una sa lahat, hindi naman hiningi sa'yo ni Precious na mahalin mo siya. Tinala ka yung sarili, no? Ako talaga nagsabi, no? I would not have broken up with Precious just because Minty was there or I was already tired. Pero I get it kasi up to that point, wala pa silang DTR eh. So parang puro kilig lang. I liked it. It's like, is there any chance? Is there any hope? I think, alam mo, gets ko kasi yung character na to ni Precious. Like, si Rodolfo, si Kyle is also kind of like that. I really imagine him as the person na magluluto. He really looks the part. His laughter, like I can really picture him there. So maybe in some parallel universe, we are together. So parang this will be a very interesting thing to see. Yeah, the only difference lang in real life is I am jaded. I am too self-aware. Di ba lagi ko sinasabi sa evangelism, you should always love yourself first. Maybe also, reading this makes me think na baka naman hindi ko pa lang kasi nahahanap yung para sa akin. Someone na like that. But it was really well written. Congratulations, kudos to you. And I appreciate you guys writing this and thinking of us. Keep on doing it. Do what makes you happy. Do what you love most. And like, I'm all for it. I think that's it for today. Again, thank you so much for staying, for tuning in. See you in the next video, guys. Love you. Mwah!
Diba alam to? Ito yung cheesy. Favorite mo to sa iyo natin.